Okay, my name is Dmitry. I'm regional manager of Fremco company, responsible for Eastern Europe and also for Middle Asia. In Romania, we are presented by our partner company, Telegroup. You are welcome all to the booth, where you can see also Fremco machines, some of them at least. Fremco is located in Denmark. This is Danish manufacturer of fiber blowing machines. Our range of machines is not very big. It's only 7 machines, which covers actually all the range for fiber network, starting from core network, from backbone, access net, and also for FTTH networks. Our machines use as power electricity, as a power source for machines for small networks, for FTTH networks, and the main idea for backbone machines is using hydraulics, because you can meet on the market also air-driven machines, but Fremco uses hydraulics. Main focus of Fremco when producing fiber blowing machines is doing them reliable, safe, and also to create them with as minimum as possible of movable parts, to use mostly universal parts in assembling, so to make them very friendly to use in the fields. I will not go very deeply in all our machines. I think our partners can lead you more deeply in details, but I will focus today for some new machines which appeared the last 2 years and which could be interesting for the future for FTTH projects in Romania. The smallest machines of Fremco is NanoFlow and NanoFlow Max. You also can meet this machine on Telegroup booth here. This is, let's say, the fastest machine on the market, and this machine doesn't need any tools to load duct and cable and to start blowing job. It runs with a lithium electrical battery. It weighs something like 1 kilo, very easy machine. Again, you can see this. And this NanoFlow Max just appeared last year. We presented it in ECOC Dublin. And it allows to work with a cable up to 4.5 millimeters to do FTTH installations. The other type of machines of Fremco for FTTH networks is microflow machines. We also have 2 modifications of that. One is more old. You can see this called microflow touch. This is very reliable machine for working with cables up to 6.5 millimeters with control unit. Again, it needs, of course, tools to load duct and a cable, but it's universal tools, so nothing special is needed from the install in the field. And the later solution for these microflow machines is the only one intelligent solution from Fremco, is the microflow log machine. What is interesting about this machine is that this machine is equipped with a special controller based on a Samsung Android tablet, which allows to create reports to record all fiber blowing jobs, each meter of fiber blowing, with parameters which were initially put, a type and size of duct, of cable, temperature of the air, of the ground, all, let's say, started preconditions before fiber blowing.
So you have this intelligent data logging that's available now?
Yes, it is.
So you can print a report after each cable drum blown?
Yes, as each meter is recorded into the memory. And it's also doing this in connection with GPS coordinates. So this can also be used by installer as a proof of quality of the job, that it is done exactly with demands of standards or any procedures. We have successfully implemented this in Germany for Deutsche Telekom. Actually, Deutsche Telekom were the first customer for this kind of solution, and they were the ones who actually ordered this from Fremco to develop in our R&D department.
How do you deliver these reports? On the paper or electronic format?
Oh.
How do you have it available?
They could be printed, of course, but they are recorded in the memory of a controller. And also they are duplicated in the special cloud solution I show you later. So if the machine is broken...
Should be good. If it's cloud solution, then you can send the real time, like a report.
Yes, but the operator doesn't need to send something or nothing, just needs to blow a fiber.
Plug in.
Yes. And everything is done automatically. So the owner of the machine or the system or the network owner, it depends, can actually monitor and see each fiber blowing jobs for each machine currently or in the past to track all the history, what was done.
But the machine is connected to Wi-Fi, or how it is connected in order to be connected to the cloud?
The machine is connected to controller with a cable, but the cloud it can use also Wi-Fi or 3G network also. I mean, the operator or the guy who is using the system, he can use it on smartphone. You don't need to be near the machine to see all this. And this is very good intelligent solution because it could be used in some regions as anti-theft protection. Because as soon as the machine switched on, the one who is using this cloud system sees the machine is here. Otherwise, it's useless. This is how it looks like. So it's quite ergonomic machine. And if the customer is actually able to use both type of controllers, just switching from one controller to another, so it's not a problem. I mean, if somebody is using from the beginning machine with normal controller and then wants to have the intelligent solution, no need to buy a new machine. It's just shifting to a new controller. So before starting the job, the operator needs to fill a form. Again, the form could be modified. It depends on the demands of the end user or the network owner, and all the data are put in. And this is how the report looks like. So actually, in the heading, you can see the start parameters and also the diagram, which shows the pressure, the distance, the speed, all these dynamic parameters, because there are certain demands for air pressure also to do fiber blowing in the right way. This is also important for analytics. When you have two teams doing the same job and one team has already finished and the other is still proceeding, then you can compare and go into the report and understand what was going on, either the wrong compressor or wrong type of ducts, or is it how they relate in the right way. Everything you can analyze with this tool. So this is also good for cost optimization, and some of companies like Hexatronic, they are also using this kind of controller for their testing of their products, because these reports, they help in that. And now I will go a little bit deeper in this Optic Cloud solution. This is special Fremco product. Again, this is cloud. This is how it looks like on a PC or a smartphone starting screen. So everybody who is owning the machine has his own profile or account, which is created for each machine. So you can log in. And then actually it has three main parts. One is dedicated to fiber jobs. So every job which was done, which is being done, could be tracked here with a map, and also could be seen each meter of fiber blowing, which parameters were at that time. The second part is considering service. So each machine which is in the system could be analyzed and seen, does machine need service and how soon it will be. Like on our cars, we see that it's left 1,000 kilometers to do service. So the same story for fiber blowing machines in this case. And when the service is needed, the operator of the machine needs only to press a button, the green one on the right side, that orders service, and immediately the system sends the message to our partner locally and also to Fremco head office that the machine number blah, 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 blah needs service for this distance or these hours of working. So the operator doesn't need to call somewhere to write any emails or requests, just need to press one button and to continue working. And the last part is utilization. This is more for planning of machines. If they install a company owning 3, 5, or whatever machines, each machine is displayed here on the map with a load of the machine. So it's possible actually when we are moving around the region, around the country, and we need some certain machine to move to another.
But here, Dmitry, it's a lot of work here. From your experience, I don't know here, so maybe from Telegroup on your experience, a lot of blowing machines are rented. How many, let's say the percentage, how many you sell, how many you rent from the blowing machine?
Actually, we haven't experienced rent business, but this could be also a good option for renting company like Remi Rent or whoever to, if they are owning machines, they also tracking them and managing them, all the fleet. So, but in practice, we haven't experienced yet the rental business as part of a business.
You can check with Telegroup because they are renting the machine, so maybe you can find out more from information from them. Okay.
Yes, but I mean, we Remco, we just thinking about having this as a rental business, not just a region from region, but
okay.
Yeah. So I think that I will not, I will skip some slides with a lot of benefits. You can learn more on Telegroup booth, also asking me, no problem. And I want to thank you for attention. This is my second time in Bucharest, in Romania, and my first time in this conference.